You missed that thing?
You want to give her these earplugs?
Sure.
Oh my bad. They broke, but
you don't need them?
no.
Here, I can give her these and take those.
Than me wear them.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'll be closer to the woods.
Yeah, with that green.
Yeah, but you know the bad thing about this spot, there ain't nowhere to go. But
I get like right in that green back right there. Right in here.
yep, that's good. Come on. There you go. Come on, grab the stuff out the back.
What stuff?
Hey, bucket.
Oh, yeah, that.
And then one bucket. Oh, that one's heavy, that one's real. I'm gonna put one mojo out here.
Yeah, we'll put them, I'll be right there, so we'll put them all between me.
We'll put them in that where that grass gets taller.
Yeah, one at you, one a little bit, one towards me. Or maybe one towards Robert.
You can drive out there, can't you? You can drive out there?
Yeah. All that between me, you and Robert. That's where they're gonna be. Y'all got everything?
Yep.
You got another bucket? Cool.
He's got a bucket. That's gonna be useful. We still, bro. Here he comes. Turd. Be hard to feed everybody with two little baby birds. Get ready, buddy. Get ready. You see him?
Saw him too late.
Huh?
I saw him too late.
It's alright. You'll get another opportunity.
I think Robbie got him though.
I don't know. I think he kept on getting it. Big group behind you. You get him, Robbie? You want to take him down there? You in the hot seat. Well, by the time they make it over here, they'd have been shot at. The son of a guns is rolling, bro. I didn't realize it fell that close to you.
All right, Brett.
Hey, boy, they starting to fly now, Robbo. Golly, we let him get by us. Robbo, over your head, over your head. Here he comes, here he comes. Shoot, son, shoot him. You get the next one. Get ready. Get ready. You see him? Huh? Grab him.
Here.
Take your gun. Hurry, Bubby. Throw him in your bucket. Stay down, buddy. Stay down. There he is, Brett, Robbo. Get down, get down. Don't move. Should never miss a bird like that. A low bird right here, Bo. You gonna grab him? And him? Go grab them too. Ah. Oh. Brett, Brett. You dog turd. Ludicrous. Oh. Watch out! Right! Bryce, Bryce! That was a hell of a shot. Hey, you're too close. Right, Bryce, Bryce! Robert, Robert! Bryce, Bryce! Here they come!
Where's he at? Find him. Find him. Find him. Hey, find him. Hey, 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 sit. Hey, look. Oh, find him. Find him. Good girl. Here, here. Good girl.
Yeah.
Back. Back.
Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl. It's hard to tell them. It's hard to teach them how to hand them to you, but
Yeah.
give them back at the same
Yeah.
time. I
Appreciate it.
that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.